I think people should contact Endemol team, Colors team, and Big Boss 15 because they're the one who called
Hmm.
me. I would be lying if I said it's so much of pressure. Seriously, I'm just trying to keep myself calm. Obviously, I have to perform. I'm not thinking about asking what he did
Hmm.
because I know the situation was different. People were very different, but this time people are very different. I mean, the lot Big Boss people called me. I didn't tell Asim. I went for an interview. I didn't tell Asim why because I didn't want he should tell me do this. And he was so low and he actually cried. I would literally. I mean. And he was not able to talk as well. And when he heard, I mean, he rushed to the hospital in the morning.
In Big Boss 13, Asim Riaz played an amazing game and really proved himself. And in this season, which is Big Boss 15, we have his brother Umar Riaz entering the house. And I think the interest has already peaked in, and we are already expecting a lot because we have seen Asim's game. And it was obviously something that everyone enjoyed a lot. So before we get going, welcome to Bollywood, Babal Umar.
Thank you
Firstly, a
so
huge
much. Thank you.
congratulations because
Thank you.
you're
Thank you.
entering the house.
Thank you.
Do you already feel the pressure? Because, like I said in my introduction itself, Asim really proved himself inside the house. I mean, उसकी game बहुत ही top notch थी season 13 में. There's already a lot of pressure I feel on you because people are similar kind of game from you as well when you enter the house. Are you feeling that pressure, or how many times have you already answered this today?
Yeah, obviously, I mean, a lot of people have been asking me this question. But I would just say that, yeah, the amount of
Hmm.
love people are already pouring in. So that always, obviously, that brings a lot of expectations. And I would say, so obviously, but still, I would be lying if I say it's so much of pressure. Seriously, I'm just trying to keep myself calm. Obviously, I have to perform. The one thing which I am thinking right now is what all you have to do. I'm just thinking. I'm not thinking about asking what he did
Hmm.
because I know the situation was different. People were very different, but this time people are very different. I mean, the lot is different. The theme is very different. But obviously,
Hmm.
so I'll have to take my own steps and I'll have to take my own decisions. But still, what I'm thinking is how much I can show my personality, how much versatile or how much elements are there in my personality that I want to show friendship, love, anger, humor,
Hmm.
entertain. I want to do that so that I'm focusing more on myself. Obviously, there's a pressure, but still, I'm like, yeah, I'll be able because that confidence is there that yes, you'll be able to perform because that blood is the same.
While a lot of people are extremely excited about the fact that you are entering the house, because, like I said, expectation hai bahut zyada aapse. But there's also a group of people who are slightly confused, I may say, or just wondering or have doubts that why is Umar Riaz entering the house? Because obviously the season is essentially more about celebrities entering the house. So I want you to clarify for them that why are you entering the house? What made you
See
say yes?
why See why I'm entering the house. I think people should contact Endemol team, Colors team, and Big Boss 15 because they're the one who called
Hmm.
me and
Hmm.
they are the one who decided to for me to be on the show. I mean, I've seen a lot of interviews. People are saying, Asim ke contacts hain, Colors mein usne karwa diya. But if you get a chance to meet Asim and interview
Hmm.
him, all these 2 years, just ask him, did I ever call and tell me, brother, can you just say my name to some music label or some photographer, some designer so that they shoot me?
Hmm.
Never have I ever
Hmm.
done that because I wanted to live this. I wanted to do my own struggle.
Yeah.
Whatever I'm doing it, people have come up to me. I have negotiated terms with them. I was like, I told them ki I can do it. I showed them the fire. They were like, okay, fine. I did 2 music videos. You can ask him that did he ever tell Z or did he ever tell Mantal Media and call them,
Hmm.
he wants to do a music video, please. Never. You'll always hear the answer no. He's done it on his own. So
Yeah.
why I am here, I don't know why Big Boss wanted me. I wanted Big Boss, but I never called Colors or anyone through team or Asim team never called Colors. I want to clarify. Big Bollywood Bubble is a big channel. I would say, I want to clarify to those people that never have I ever called them for me to enter the Big Boss house, or Asim team has never called them. I got a call from them
Hmm.
for Big Boss OTT first. They said, "We want you. You're a
Right.
doctor.
Right.
We have seen you. Do you want to go?" So because for me, I was like, I want to do Big Boss TV. I wanted to do that because of Salman sir, because that's his show. I wanted always to enter that. So I said, no,
Right.
I don't want to do OTT. And even Asim didn't know that. I've said no, already said no to them, and then later I called him because bro, this
Oh.
was the thing, because somebody had asked him कि उन्होंने OTT. Asim didn't know about it because I didn't want to do it, so I didn't tell him. After that, I'll tell you, Big Boss people called me. I didn't tell Asim. I went for an interview. I didn't tell Asim. Why? Because I didn't want he should tell me do this. I
Amazing.
wanted to
Freezing
I
for
wanted
me.
to experience that thing on my
Hmm.
own. What is it like to get the interview done for Big Boss? Will I be able to do it? I told nobody, and I
Hmm.
came out. Then 2 days later, I told Asim, bro, I got a call from Big Boss. I did an interview. This has all happened. I don't know whether it's going to happen, but if they say yes, I'm going. So he was like, really, you were called? I was like, or he was like, तूने interview दे दिया? मैंने कहा हाँ ब्रो, इंटरव्यू भी हो गया. क्या कहा तूने, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे? जब उसने सुना कि मेरे जवाब क्या थे, बोला ब्रो, यू थ्रू, दे विल श्योरली टेक यू. स्टिल आई डिडंट न्यू कि मेरे को जाना है. 13th डे, आई टेल यू लिटरली, मेरा एक हॉस्पिटल से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हुआ था, दूसरे में ज्वाइन करना था. The day I was going to go to the interview,
Huh.
I got a call, I got a message for
Hmm.
confirmation. And I was like, okay, fine. मैंने कुछ बहाना बनाया. I was like, okay, I'm not able to join. So everything is just happening.
Hmm.
Nothing was planned by me, by my brother, by his team, or by his fandom. Nothing. Everything came, and I reacted, and that's how I just got the opportunity. Now the buzz is so
And
much. People might be thinking कि ये सब planned है. But I would tell you, I know your channel will reach out to people, but I want to tell you, these things just happen.
obviously, we'll see your journey inside when you enter, Umar. It is not going to be the baggage of your brother shouldn't be there any which, because this is going to be your journey this time, right? But tell me, what is it that what are your strengths? Like, how do you want to play this entire
Yeah,
game? Because
obviously,
obviously,
my strength
Big
is
Boss
going
is
to be
never
my
easy.
brother, who's played a fabulous game. I derive a lot of inspiration from him. But saying that, my personality is different. I'm going to react differently to situations. I'm going to react differently to relations, how he reacted. So things are going to be different, but some element is going to be same, because obviously we share a bond, we share brotherhood, we are blood brothers. कुछ चीजें निकलेंगी कि जो
Yeah,
maybe if I'm loud, if I'm angry, वो चीज relate होगी, but I cannot help it because we are related, we are bounded by blood that comes from generations of us. That element is there in the family. So वो चीज है. Rest obviously different thing, different will be. I have my education, I have my knowledge, I have my intellect. That's why I am the way I am. I am because of that. I would say not because of 2 years of industry.
definitely.
I would say for 10 years of my hard work and my pain and my blood, and whatever achievements and skill I've learned, I am here
Hmm.
because of that, not because of 2 years of fame, I would say.
And before I let you go now, because recently we had seen Asim had posted Siddharth's after Siddharth's demise, there was this post, one post which really made me emotional was Asim's post, because he posted their bond, about their bond and the brotherhood that they shared in the beginning. Um, I just wanted to know that, did you happen to speak to Asim after that? Because it seemed that it did affect him a lot as well.
Yeah,
How is he
obviously.
doing?
I mean, he actually cried, I would say. I mean, he was so low, and he actually cried, I would literally. And he was not able to talk as well. And when he heard, I mean, he rushed to the hospital in the morning, and you could see that. I mean, though there was a lot of beef between them, but still they shared that bond of friendship, I would say. But somehow they were not able to meet up after the show. But for I mean that, because also in the morning he saw some glimpses of Siddharth as well, and somehow, and the same day he died. So I think maybe Siddharth wanted to say goodbye to him. It was in his heart to say bye to Asim. So So yeah, it was a very emotional thing for him and for all the family and fans, I would say.
Yeah, I can imagine. But thank you so much for talking to
Thank
me
you.
for your time
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
all the very best for your journey inside the house.
Thank you.